Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I've come back again with another Vanguard strategy. So in today's video, I'll be showing you this beautiful strategy that you will use to trade spike. You can use it to catch some candlestick in the markets. So guys, in case if you are new to this channel, my name is Blessing and the name of my channel is BBFS Trading Strategies. So guys, in case if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like and share, also comment down below. So guys, in this strategy, we are going to use relative strength index with this parabolic and also moving average on our main charts. That is what we are going to use. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can grab everything that will make you money on this market. Guys, believe me, this strategy is 100%. When I say 100, I mean 100%. When you are trading, guys, just watch. I will show you what you will do. As long as you follow the rules, guys, you will make money in trading forex. So guys, let me show you guys the indicators used in trading this, and also I will show you how you will enter your trade. So guys, let's go and check. Guys, so here is the indicators. On our main window we have moving average 200, shift 0, exponential, close, pixel, any color of your choice guys. You click done. Then the next indicator used here is parabolic scar. Default settings guys, I did not change anything. This is default settings. So guys, in this place you will leave everything the way it is, then you will click done. Our next indicator here is relative strength index, our window one. Guys, let's go and add our relative strength index. That is the main indicator used here. Let's look for it. Here is our relative strength index. So guys, we have our relative strength index. What we have here is 144 period. Then apply to close, style, and any color of your choice guys. Then 2 pixel, you go to your level. We only have 50 guys. Any color of your choice guys. I use white because the background is black, so you click done. Let's go to our chart now guys. This is how our chart look like. Guys, just pay attention guys. This strategy is fire guys. You will use this strategy to make money. I mean to make money as long as you follow the rules. So now let me show you the rules. Guys, in case here now, I noticed that boom 1000 is coming down here. Okay. Boom 1000 is coming down here, guys. The first thing we will look at is when our moving average 200 is above the candlesticks when it is selling. Guys, but if it is buying, our moving average will be below the candlestick. Then now that is selling guys, you see this place now guys is selling here. You wait for your RSI indicator to touch the 50 level. When your RSI indicator touch the 50 level guys, the next thing you will wait before you will enter your trade is your parabolic. You wait for this parabolic to come outside guys. Our parabolic to come outside when you have saw this relative strength index, index here. Then you wait for your parabolic style to come outside here. When it come out guys, you enter your trade. You pick 10 candlestick. Just make sure that it's selling. before you will do this. But if it's not selling, don't enter. But what I saw here, it is selling. So guys, and my condition mate, I have to enter for sale, and I'll pick my 10 candlestick and leave the market whenever it touch the 50 level. So guys, let's check if we will see again. Let's check if we can see. Guys, this is another one here. This is another one. As you can see here, it touched the 50 level, and our moving average is above, and our parabolic star is out. Guys, you got to take your 10 candlestick there. You leave the markets, guys. This strategy works perfectly, guys. It works 100%. I am very sure of it. So guys, let's check. Guys, here is for buy. Here is buying, and in this place now, our RSI touch the 50 level in this place, guys. When it touch, don't enter the trade. Always wait for this parabolic to be out. If you did not see it, don't enter the market. You have to see it one to two before you now enter and wait for another spike. So guys, in this place now, our parabolic star is out. You enter somewhere here. You enter somewhere there and wait for this long spike, guys. You leave the market, or you take some sticks, then you leave the market. Guys, can you see it? You leave. So let's check again. Guys, here is selling, and it met our requirement here. Guys, this is where you will enter your trade. Always wait for your parabolic star. It's very, very important before you enter. But if you did not wait, expect to lose your money. But as long as this parabolic star is out, guys, enter and pick your 10 candlestick. When I say candlestick, make sure your 10 candlestick is correct. Any spike come outside, don't mind that spike. Wait for your 10 candlestick to be correct before you leave the market. Guys, this is boom. Let's go and check crash. 500. Crash 500. Let's check crash 500 to see what it's doing. So guys, crash 500 is buying. This is where we're supposed to enter for buy, guys. Here is where we're supposed to enter for buy. Guys, do you see it? And this is where our parabolic star comes out. From here now, you will take your 10 candlestick. Guys, please, let's send this account to 1,000 subscribers. In case if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my account. And if you find my video interesting, and if my video is making money to you, please support me by subscribing to my channel. So guys, this is it. This is very, very powerful. Very, very powerful strategy. As long as the market, you follow the trend of the market, you will not lose your money, guys. You will not lose your money. You will not. At all, you will not lose your money. So guys, let's check again if we can see a very good one. Guys, it's many. It's super, super many. Here is another one. Here is another one, guys. As you can see, if you notice, the spike comes down. But as long as it touched this 50 level and you saw your parabolic star, guys, don't fear the spike. Just wait and take your 10 candlestick and leave the market. So let's check. Let's check crash 1000. Let's check crash 1000. Oh my god. Guys, this is crash 1000 doing intense. This crash 1000 doing intense, guys. Guys, yeah, it's for sale. Let me see. Yeah, guys. Yeah, it's for sale. Guys, here is for sale. You have to wait for those to come outside And when this come outside, you enter for spike. You enter for spike, guys. So guys, let's check again. Guys, this strategy works. It works very, very well. As long as you wait for your condition to meet, it works very well, guys. If you wait for your condition to meet, guys, you will make your money. You will leave the market. It's as simple as that, guys. As simple as that. So, guys, this is the end of this video for today. Guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Guys, I want to see your hand, and also click that notification bell so that any day I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. See you guys on my next video. Bye.